Let's create an assignment where we customize the activities and the quizzes. Start by selecting a homework assignment. Give it a name. I'm going to select some sample content. So I'm selecting some activities and some practice quizzes to be covered in my assignment. As it shows right now, I've got activities where these two activities would have a certain grade, these three activities would have a grade, and these two activities would have a grade. I'm going to enable my grading on these activities, and instead of having 7 activities with separate grading on each section, I'm going to change it to chapter, and then I'm going to proceed to customize the activities and select the ones that I want. So let's just say I want them to do 1 activity from each section and save that. Now I've got 3 activities that cover this chapter in the topics that I want with their own grade points, cumulative for 5 grade points. The same thing can happen with practice quizzes. So you can customize at the section level, choosing questions to be covered on separate quizzes by section. So here's my last topic here. Okay, so now I've got 3 separate quizzes that I will have graded, and they've each got a separate set of questions, or I can select the chapter level, and now I've got the 10 questions that cover the entire chapter with 1 grade for that quiz. So now I've changed it from 3 separate quizzes to 1 quiz at the chapter level. And again, I can give it my own grade points. So you proceed to set the due dates and the sections that you want to assign it to here. Alternatively, if you want to start, if you know you just want to have 1 quiz that covers the entire chapter, you can start there and then click on Customize, and you can see all of the topics that you want to include in your custom quiz and start selecting questions from each topic, or selecting questions from your own quiz bank as well, like this. So now if I click on Save, I've got 1 quiz, 9 questions that covers these 2 topics, along with some questions from my own bank of questions that I created. I'm going to give it grade points, hit enter, and assign it the due dates.